Congratulations. That's right, $100,000 with a soft pull. So in today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you where you can get $100,000 for your business and you don't even have to have the best credit score. So in today's video, we're gonna be reviewing Action Opportunity Fund, small business loans that work for you. They also support ITIN only borrowers. Now, Action Opportunity Fund is one of the largest CDFIs. So CDFI stands for Community Development Financial Institution. Now, CDFIs are absolute gems because the underwriting requirements are gonna be much easier versus the big banks or even credit unions for that matter. So they're going to have looser underwriting. They're going to be able to offer extremely low interest rates compared to the commercial banks. Now, Action Opportunity Fund offers loan amounts from a minimum of $5,000 all the way up to $150,000. And this is affordable capital with transparent terms and no prepayment penalty. They offer interest rates as low as 5.99%. They can offer different rates that vary based on which repayment plan you prefer. Now, what makes Action Opportunity Fund different? So they're here to support you and provide you with resources your business needs to thrive. They are a nonprofit lender. So because they don't exist to make profit, they use the money from your repayment to support other business owners. They offer customized loans and repayment terms because no two businesses are alike. Now, as I mentioned, the great thing about CDFIs is that they don't really look at your credit score, right? So you're more than just a number. So they look at more than just your credit score to determine your business viability. So the first step is you can apply online. And the great thing is that you can get a quote without impacting your credit score. The second step is to review your offer. And step 3 is to finalize your loan. So once you've chosen an offer, they'll ask for final documentation to verify. They'll review and come back to you with a final offer and a loan agreement. And upon signing the loan agreement, you'll get the money you need for your business in your bank account. In addition to loans, they also provide personalized business coaching, mentoring, and a comprehensive business resource library where you can find all the information you need. Now, to get started and get a quote for a loan, you just click this button right here, get started, and it'll open up the application. All right, so at the top is a summary of the business and the details as well as the financing. So how much you actually earned in 2022. So the business revenue. And then right here it says, please note that by clicking the submit loan application, you are consenting to allow Action Opportunity Fund to conduct a soft pull of your credit in order to provide you with offers. This means that a request to review your offers will not affect your credit score. All right, so it says, just one moment. All right, so it says you've been pre-qualified for the loan options. Congratulations. All right, so right here, they give 3 different loan options for $100,000. So these are just slightly different terms. Now, as you can see with the shorter term, there's an interest rate of 10.99. With the 24 months, it's 12.99. And with the 36 month, it's 14.99. There is a 3.99% origination fee. So just keep that in mind. Now, right down here pretty much just breaks down the loan details. Now, right here says not satisfied with these options. You can contact one of the loan officers to get more information on your options. All right, so let's just walk through some of these different loan options. So the total loan amount is $100,000. And so this is going to be monthly payments of $8,837. The interest rate is 10.99%. There is a 3.99% origination fee. So the total repayment after it's all said and done, so this is going to be paid back after 1 full year. So the total repayment is going to be $106,052.40. So again, how they have this sort of laid out. So again, the shorter term is going to have the lowest overall cost. So you are going to have a high monthly payment, as it says right here, but in terms of total interest that you're paying is going to be the lowest overall cost. And then when you're looking at the 36-month term, this is going to be the lowest monthly payment. However, since you do hold the loan for longer, you will be subject to more interest. And actually the interest rates increase from 10.99 to 14.99. So again, this is the same $100,000 loan, except this is out to 3 years or 36 months versus 12 months. And the monthly payment is going to be much lower. Again, same origination fee, no prepayment penalty. The total repayment is going to be $124,777. So again, Action Opportunity Fund is a community development financial institution. They're also a 501c nonprofit lender. Now, the trade-off with using CDFIs and nonprofit lenders is that, of course, you're going to have lower underwriting requirements. So even if you don't have the best credit score, even if your income isn't the highest, you can still qualify. Because of that, the process usually tends to be a little bit more drawn out, and they are usually going to require additional documentation. So this isn't like an instant approval type of situation. Now, in comparison, let's say you were to go to a major bank or even some credit unions, usually the underwriting criteria is going to be higher, especially in today's current economic times, where even a lot of credit unions are now asking for tax returns and requiring you to have over a 700 credit score. Now, with Action Opportunity Fund, you have a credit score as low as a 550. Overall, I think CDFIs, community development financial institutions, are one of the most underutilized financial resources. There's literally thousands of CDFIs across the country. Now, if anyone is interested in researching a CDFI in their local area, I've dropped the CDFI locator link in the description of the video. Also, Action Opportunity Fund is available in 44 states, so you could check their website to make sure that your state is one of the eligible states before you submit a pre-qualification. Anyways, that's all for today's video. Until next time, take it easy, and we'll talk to you soon. Peace.